me.
Yeah, church.
Okay. So
What did you guys just do?
But what's in there?
You put marshmallows in there?
Yep. Put down.
Is Garrett helping?
yes, he is.
I put monsters in there.
You did?
And Jared did too.
Wow. Did you put them all in there?
Yep.
He dropped all of them in there. Whoa.
Good deal.
They're really melting.
Wow. Are we finished with the bag, Garrett?
Yep.
Can I throw it away?
Garrett, look how they're melting.
They're melting.
They're getting warm and soft and all melty.
All melty.
And Garrett, when we're finished,
Yep.
when all the marshmallows are melted, we're going to put those in. Do you know what? Do you want to see what the Rice Krispies look like?
Yeah.